skeptical. I was like, no, I'm her friend. I do not take her happiness lightly. I'm gonna really be mean to this one. Like, I'm not okay with it. But I can say with utmost confidence that since the beginning, Dylan has been like the best person to Barbie. He has been there for her. He's been so supportive. He has just showed her unconditional love, support, anything and everything you can think of. Dylan has just done it for her.
We want to thank Dylan for being the man that he is. And I honestly don't believe if I could handpick a son-in-law, I couldn't handpick a better son-in-law than Dylan.
I knew Barbie was really something special when Dylan started dating her. If anybody knew Dylan probably 6-7 years ago, you knew he had 3 outfits. But when Barbie came into the picture, he started getting his hair cut all nice, wearing all these nice clothes. I got to know Barbie over the years. I got to know her real well. And one of the sweetest, kindest persons I've ever met. I'm so happy that you're with my best friend. You guys make me so happy that you found each other.
I now pronounce you man and wife. You may kiss your bride.